What I really love about working at Lumen Technologies is our vision for the future. We have moved from being a telecom company for many, many years to a network company to this idea of a platform company. We have brought together several different companies, each with their own processes, procedures, even different networks and products. And trying to merge those together is really one of the biggest hurdles. We had to make a very hard pivot when everything went home, when everything went mobile, to have our instructors, our facilitators, go from classroom instruction in person to a virtual world.
The Lumen Makers community is comprised of business users and IT people across the company.
Talent development is our first case of where we're using Teams, not only as a collaborative development environment, but where the users actually go and access the tools.
Chuck said, where are your pain points? And we started to say, well, our big one is how do we set up classes? How do we enroll people? I need to get a couple things done with one of the class sessions. Can you show me how to do that?
Absolutely.
Okay.
So we start with the
Microsoft Teams and Power Platform allows us to build efficiency. A lot of the business processes we used to run through spreadsheets or we used to run in email can be accommodated for in Teams with automated processes.
They needed a simple way for people to request vendor training. And the current process they had, it was very error prone. So the Power App reduced the errors. The next piece was we needed a way to capture certifications throughout the company. The app would enable anyone in the company to say, okay, I've got the certification, here's when it ends. And then they would get notifications like, oh, your certification is getting ready to expire. But it also enables to report. So when it came time in those competitive sales situations, it's like, look, here's our team. Because this is something that enables a competitive advantage where we're in a sales situation.
So now we deliver on Microsoft Teams. We have the Power App. We have our chat channels, so everything is happening within one interface. And now we have these Power Apps where within a few minutes, and I love saying minutes rather than days, we can set up a class, we can enroll people in that class, we can make changes to that enrollment, and then we can close out the class at the end. That extra admin time that they were taking up can now be reallocated to platform time. More platform time means more time in front of our sellers, which means better training. I think the big shift with the Lumen Makers is that we're putting the ability to create these collaborative apps into the hands of the people who are closest to the work. Microsoft Teams and Power Platform really gives us a way to meet our internal customers where they live. And I see the future just growing because the platform keeps growing.